The brother said that Muhammad, peace be upon him, Nauzubillah, is a sinner.
Yes.
How will he take us to paradise? I asked him, what sin did he do? He worshipped idol for 40 years. Oh, your argument is wrong. Now, will you apologize? Will you apologize for laying an allegation against my prophet?
No.
If you are a true Christian, you have to apologize. If you don't apologize, you are not a true Christian. You are accusing my prophet in front of everyone. I am asking you, if I make a mistake, I say sorry. We love the prophet. We can give our life for the prophet. You are accusing a prophet, yet no one is telling you anything. We are so peaceful. Correct? We love Jesus Christ. We revere him. We respect him. Therefore we say, peace be upon him. Not like you. We love Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. No. No. We don't believe in accusing any human. Wait. You ask the question, listen to my answer now. Your name and your profession.
Okay, sir.
Why did for Muhammad? And Muhammad was a sinner and cannot save people on the seats.
Very good question. Brother asked a question. Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a sinner. What sin did he do? What sin did he do? Tell me. One sin he did. Show me. What do you know? What do you know?
How this is, Muhammad is, he was worshipping idols for 40 years. That is.
The brother. Brother.
Yes.
Where does it say in the Quran that he was worshipping idols for 40 years? That's your misconception. Yes. So you are the sinner. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Silence.
Okay. Because when I learned the history, you read the biography.
Okay.
You find that he was born where the family was worshiping idols. During that time, before he could become a prophet, the parents and the community in where he was born were worshiping idols. He also joined them because he could not deny he was a child. He grew for 40 years, he became a prophet.
Brother,
So the question
use information half loud. Wait. You asked the question, let me reply.
The question is,
Wait, you asked the question, let me reply. Now the mic has started. Will you keep quiet? Okay. I heard your question.
Okay.
I don't have a bad memory, correct?
yeah.
The microphone wasn't on. Now it is on. The brother said that Muhammad, peace be upon him, Nauzubillah, is a sinner.
Yes.
How will he take us to paradise? I asked him, what sin did he do? He worshipped idol for 40 years. And then he said, we come to know from books that the people around him did idol worship. I agree with you. People around did. He never did idol worship a single time. Which historical book are you reading? What books you are reading is wrong. If I read a book 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, the problem is in the book, not in mathematics. No authentic historical book, no hadith, no Quranic verse ever said that Prophet, peace be upon him, in his life ever did idol worship. He was sinless. So your argument is wrong. Now will you apologize? Will you apologize for laying an allegation against my prophet?
No.
If you are a true Christian, you have to apologize. If you don't apologize, you are not a true Christian. You are laying allegations against my prophet. You are calling my prophet a sinner. I want you to apologize.
Our problem is sin.
No problem, I am asking you.
To come out of sin.
You are doing a sin.
Righteous.
You are doing a sin.
Sin allegedly.
You are doing a sin by laying an allegation against my prophet. Will you apologize, brother? Will you apologize or not?
That is our question. Please answer the question because will you assure us how many people can go to heaven to him?
I will show you. But now you called my prophet a sinner. You made a mistake. If you don't apologize, that means you are coming here to create fitna. If you apologize, I'll give you the answer. How to go to Jannah, I will show you. But if you made a mistake, you should apologize. Right or wrong? If I abuse your father, if I call your father sinner wrongly, should I apologize or not?
You can be responsible because as from 18 years and above, he was still worshiping until 40 years. So he still can be reliable for his.
There is no historical authentic book.
His sins.
There is no
He was an adult.
There is no authentic book in the world
Yes.
There is no authentic book in the world which ever says that Prophet did idol worship. You're lying.
No, I'm saying the truth because you go read the biography. You can see.
Which book? Which book you're talking about? Which authentic book? Name me one authentic book. No hadith says that. No Quran says that. Some fabricated books like Salman Rushdie may say that. I have one authentic historical book. There is not a single.
Okay. So the next question. So if you another book,
Wait. If you make a mistake, you are accusing my Prophet in front of everyone. I am asking you, if I make a mistake, I say sorry. In front of everyone, you are doing sabr.
next question.
Wait, listen. We are so peaceful. We love the Prophet. We can give our life for the Prophet. You are accusing a Prophet, yet no one is telling you anything. We are so peaceful. Correct? We are so peaceful. In front of everyone, you are accusing a Prophet without proof. Right or wrong? Brother, what's your name?
I have quoted what I've said.
What is your
Stand
name?
for it.
What is your name?
I say
What is your
he
name?
was born.
What is your name?
So, yeah.
My name is Alex.
Alex.
Yeah.
Smart Alex.
Yeah.
Smart Alex. Okay, I give you a chance. We are forgiving. You accuse your Prophet without proof, I forgive you. Go to the next question. Go on.
Okay. How can Muslims fulfill righteousness?
How can Muslims fulfill what?
How can Muslims fulfill righteousness?
Righteousness. How can Muslim fulfill righteousness?
Yes.
They can fulfill righteousness by following the Quran. The Muslims can fulfill righteousness by following the true teachings of Jesus Christ, not the false teaching. Because we love Jesus Christ, we revere Him, we respect Him, therefore we say, peace be upon Him, not like you. Not like you. We love Jesus Christ, peace be upon Him. No. We don't believe in accusing any human. Wait, you ask the question, listen to my answer now. When you ask the question, you don't even know the rules. You ask the question, now listen to my answer. You like it or not? That's another problem. You ask a question, in front of everyone I'm giving you a chance. You finish your question, now you have to listen to my answer. Do you understand? If you don't understand English, then forget it. Alex is good, but smart Alex is not good. So how to achieve righteousness? By following the Quran. By following the teachings of the Quran. The Quran says follow the messenger, follow Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. By following the Sahih Hadith, by following the true teaching of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him. Not the false teaching. So, if we follow the teachings of the Quran, and we believe in all the messenger, and the teaching of the last and final messenger, inshallah we'll go to Jannah.